I really hate to cue that one, but really good. But due to the time limits, and we still have 3 factories waiting, so I need to space up. But I really enjoyed the introduction. So next factory is Stillhome. Stillhome from Zhongshan Lighting Limited Company. Jaiben, Stillhome. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Stillhome. Hi. This is Jane
Hi.
from Lightstrade. Hi.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hi, Jane.
Hi, Jane. Oh, what's your name, please?
My name's Joyce.
Joyce. Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty name. I really love Joyce. I love Joyce.
Thank you.
Hi, Joyce. Very big welcome and thank you for participating in our Lightstrade factory tour. And today, thank you for your patience. I see you are waiting in the waiting list for a long time, and thank you. Thank you for your patience. Hi, Joyce. Would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company?
Yes.
In short time.
Let me introduce my company. Now, you can look at our product.
Yeah, showroom. Wow.
Yes, my showroom. We made the product is modern and entry lux. They are all
different series and types in home landing.
We have ceiling lamp and pendant light.
Yeah, pendant light.
Yeah. And wall lamp.
Yeah.
Table
different
lamp.
Types. Yeah, some is of Chinese one, some of European one.
We are an original designer brand. Our products belong to the modern light. Yeah.
Modern light.
Maybe you can look this product. Yeah.
It's pretty.
This one. Yes, thank you.
It's like a Kindle light.
Lamp material is the stainless steel. And use the crystal and the glass.
Oh, crystal
and the
glass,
LED. Yes. This color is dark brown.
Dark brown, yes.
Yes.
It has a very good sense. Yeah.
Thank you. And we have other. Maybe you can look at this one.
Your favorite.
Yes. This one means fireworkers.
Oh, fireworkers. Oh, I can imagine that.
It's all overall modern. It's like putting fireworkers. Yeah.
The glass is well designed, and the light is split into 7 colors. I think from my view of anger, it's splendid. It's like a rainbow. It's very pretty, beautiful.
I think this lamp we can make other colors. Yeah, and and this it's spread around. Firework is wonderful and gorgeous.
Yeah, very gorgeous.
Yeah.
The taste is good.
Beautiful things.
Yeah.
And it implants all kind of jubilation.
Jubilation.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
And this set is a crystal. He like crystal.
Oh, crystal. Wow.
Yes.
No wonder why it gives such a great reflection of the light and changing into several colors, just like a fireworks. Yeah, it corresponding to the name Fireworks. Yeah, well done.
Yes.
Any other products you want to show us in? Because I hear from the name Stillhome, 宅本 Stillhome. I really like this. Just like my home is so good and well decorated. I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to keep still home. Keep still in home, right?
Stay at home.
Yeah. Stay at home. Don't go out.
And we have a beautiful light.
Okay. This corner may suffer from the signal transform. We are having this little circle on screen again. It happens. It's very common in online show. So online exhibition is real because of those imperfect but very real one. Hi, Joyce. Hi, welcome back. Yeah.
Maybe the Wi-Fi is bad.
Yeah, the signal is not that good, but your factory, your products are good.
Yes. Stillhome. It's a set of lighting designer production styles in one of the orange lighting brand. Products have appearance, patterns, enterprise with advanced management concept and profound culture.
Yes.
At present, the brand has 100 stores in China.
Oh, I see. Hi, Joyce. Excuse me, Joyce. Sorry to interrupt, but seeing from my screen, your signal out there, the figure is not running, it's not moving. It's a stable and traffic jam one. Although I can hear from you, but the image is not that good. But actually, I get the concept of the Jaiben Stillhome. I get the concept of your introduction of this company. You are doing the very wonderful and high taste of down pendant lights and the downside lights, and they are of the great level of taste. Maybe because of the signal not that good. Maybe next time. Maybe next time we can meet on face to face, and the next time we have a full detailed chat together. And thank you, Joyce. Thank you for your participation.
Yeah, welcome to our showroom.
Oh yeah, sure. Thank you for your invitation. I will do that. Thank you. So
thank you.
Thank you. See you next time, Joyce.
See you.
Thank you for your participation. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Bye.